Thus
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
that the presence of
Welcome
Jesus
to
on the
Naga
world,
City.
salvation
Happy
has already
Peña
been
Francia, Naga
achieved.
City.
God's promises
Welcome to
are already fulfilled.
Basilica.
And what are the great works that God has accomplished? The answer is simple and surprising at the same time. He has looked upon the humility of his servant. Yes, the great work of God is the choice of humility, the predilection, the preference for the little ones, the defense of the weak, the love for what seems unimportant. In this choice, lust and the discarded, the wisdom that comes from heaven, and the merciful justice of God are shown. Illustrious and respected authorities, all those who are entrusted with governance, are asked to imitate this wisdom and strive for this kind of justice. May the model of Mary always sing the we believe, we understand, we justice in our minds and choices in our lives. It's free. Suffering is falling, not in the world, but in the recognition that all comes from God, as the Lord Himself declared. All authority has been given to me in heaven and on earth. Man's usurpation of power, ang pag-agaw, ang pag-alab ng poder, for his own interest, will lead to nothing but failure. As the Blessed Mother said in her prayer song, He has shown strength with His arm. He has scattered the proud in the imagination of their hearts. He has brought down rulers from their thrones and has lifted up the humble. So let us always keep in mind the teaching of St. Paul. Christ is the power and wisdom of God. For the foolishness of God is wiser than men. The weakness of God is stronger than men. Kaya, kanugabos kita, ginong tumungtang hindi siguro sa inyo na may mga responsibilidad sa ibang tao, ang tutdok ni Pagpapalala. Si Kristo, iyo ang kapangyarihan, as in ang katulungan ng Diyos. Puri, ang kanulungan ng Diyos, mas makatulungan pa sa kanulungan ng tao. Ang kaluyahan ng Diyos, mas makatulungan pa sa puso ng tao. An interesting quote of St. Teresa of the Congregation, or a Blessed Mother. She said, everyone knows that the Blessed Virgin is the Queen of Heaven. But she is more mother than queen. It must not be said that because of her doctrine, she exercises the glory of the Son.
Wala pa sa vlog.
There is a word spoken by the 24-year-old Caroline Moon, who had deeply understood that Mary's greatness lies entirely in her humility, in her recognition of the infinite and merciful goodness of God, in her maternal desire to raise all her children in the fullness of the divine love and holiness. The holy people of God is sacredly recognizes the truth. Today, we rightly celebrate the centenary of the solemn coronation of Our Lady of Nebraska because she is always queen. But her way of being queen is that of being a mother. The Catholic faith teaches us that Mary is always virgin because she only conceived Jesus through the work of the Holy Spirit. But we must also confess that Mary is always mother because she always intercedes for us, always and constantly nourishes and preserves us in love while simultaneously love share the story with you now